Brooke with WTI. I love cooking my pizzas straight in the oven without anything underneath it. That way I get that wonderful crunch. I have a hard time pulling my bread and pizza out of the oven without hurting myself. I love this Checkered Chef pizza paddle because this has made it so much easier when I'm cooking and I'm able to pull out my pizza. I love how efficient this is because of the stainless steel and the fact that it's thin enough to slide under. And the ridge on the back I really like because it keeps from my bread or pizza sliding completely off, which I'm very clumsy. And this is very sturdy. I was looking at this and I thought maybe because it's large or because the handle folds in that it wouldn't be sturdy, but it locks into place really great and I have such a good grip on this. The handle is so nice to hold because it stays cool and it doesn't burn my hand at all. Also, this is dishwasher safe, so it's easy to keep clean. And again, I love that the handle does fold in because it just makes storing it look so much nicer and easier as far as saving your space. This is the 13 by 15 inch, and I like that it doesn't rust. When I use it, I'm able to even cut on this because it's very durable. So this material is awesome and it's been a wonderful addition to my kitchen, but that's just my point of view.